Okay? So, let us have doubling and halving. So, obviously, when we say doubling, ina-add natin yung dalawang parehong number. And when we say halving, kinakalahati natin. Or dinidivide natin yung number na yon sa dalawang equal na parts. For example, double 43. So, obviously, yung sagot natin 86. Kasi, 43 plus 43 is 86. Or, 43 times 2 is 86. Diba, ang multiplication is repeated addition. So, 43 is plus 43 is also equal to 43 times 2. So, which is 86. So, for example, 23. So, paano siya magiging double? So, ang double ng 43 is, 23 is 46. So, pwedeng ganyan. 23 plus 23, di ba? Equals 46. Or, yung 46 pwedeng 23 times 2. Kasi, yung 23 plus 23 is also the same as 23 times 2. Which is 46.